This is the text that we have displayed in the last. These are the different font properties. Okay, you can give any type of color and any type of style to your fonts. Okay, right, fine.
Head and bones.
Exactly. HTML tag consists of head and body. Good night, Ravi. Have a great sleep. For a title, Ravi is sleeping. Is that right, Ravi? Yes. Oh, well, no. That's not right. Yes, sir. Huh? Oh, background. So now let's give some mind. Background.html. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, so let me just copy this and paste this one so that I'll give some background image to this body. It'll look a little bit good. So let me go here, and this is my background. This is my image. So let me go for something like 60 pixels. So text shadow can be something like 5, 5, and 15 would be fine. Okay, and let me give the body the background image. Background image URL of what is our image name? 3 dot JPG. This is my background image. Let me refresh this. So this is my background image. Okay. Just a second. I'm not edited yet. Okay, let me edit this one and let's give it a shining. Let's make it a shining. Okay. Background size. Sorry. So size means cover. We give cover. Background size will be covered like this. Okay. Repeat. If you no repeat, then it will not be. It won't repeat. Okay. To go for something like repeat while repeat text means it will be repeated. Let's see. So repeat text means the image will be, the background will be repeated in the x-axis. If we give some y-axis here, then the image, so the background image will be repeated in the y-axis. If we give the repeat, no repeat, generally the default property will be the repeat. Okay. So if we give something like no repeat, then this will happen. And if we give background size something like 100% space 100% the hell some 900 pixel about 8 about 7. Okay, this is my background image. I just set that one to my screen size. Okay, but whenever you look for the responsive, it won't work. For the responsive, there will be something different code. I'll tell you whenever we are discussing this responsive CSS. Okay, when we get the media queries, you will understand how to give the responsive code to almost all the elements of the HTML content. So now let's go with. Let me give some position for this one. See this. So let me make it. What color should we keep here? White will be fine. And what about the text shadow? This also I want to display in the white so that it will go glow a little bit. Okay. So now let me give something like some 10. Okay. Now it's shining. Now it is shining. Hey Ravi, what? I don't think that you are that kind of. Okay, fine. Position relative top. Is in the recordings. Two 80 pixel. Yeah, now it is good. Now it is. Is it okay? Come on, man. In the group. This is CSS properties. CSS. Yeah. How cool is this? Oh, right, fine. This is background, okay? This is background. Let me check out whether I missed any property in the background. Okay. So background position, yeah, that's the one thing, and background attachment. Okay, man, just see this one, see this one. So I missed, I missed two more properties: background position and background attachment. See, background position means simply if I want to make my background start from 50 pixel from the x-axis and 50 pixel from the y-axis, then I can simply give some 50 pixel from x-axis and 50 pixel from y-axis, so that my background will start from 50 pixel, 50 pixel. Okay. If I want to make my background position from 150 pixel to 150 pixel, so this is how it will work. Okay. Just I'm saying that the background can be changed. Okay, the background images can be changed with this property. Okay. So let me give some top and left. Top and left means it will be aligned to the top and left. Okay. And now, how am I getting this scroll here? Great, fine. So I just kept the positions as top and left, and the background attachment is fixed. That means so whenever you scroll, whenever wait. Hey, hi, sleepy Ravi. Hey, you are yawning, I understand, but try to wake up in the class. Come on, I'll give some motivation to you. Come on, Ravi, you can wake up and you can listen to it. Shut up. Hey. Not the fixed one. Actually, let me give some after you. See this, guys. Come on here. Shut up. So, background attachment fixed. Background attachment. If I give this background attachment fixed, then it won't scroll with the scroll bar. Okay. Scroll and fixed. Okay. And this is just the height of a body. Just to get this right side scroll bar, I have given the body height as 1000 pixels. Okay. So this is it. So this is about the background images. Did you get it? Check out. Now I'm going to give you one more very important attribute. I'm going to give one more important attribute. Just to listen to this. Listen to this class, okay? Position. Position is very important attribute of CSS. So that you know, if you want to create a menu on the top of your web page, and if you want to create some side menus, and if you want to create some divisions into your page, so you have to use that position tag. Okay, position tag is very important. Let's go.